Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how modern denim fabric is made, step by step. Let's begin. Raw cotton arrives at the facility where each bale is inspected for quality.
Looks good otherwise.
The fibers are opened, cleaned, and separated inside massive preparation units. From here, the cotton begins its journey toward becoming strong, durable yarn. In the spinning hall, rollers stretch and twist the cotton into consistent yarn. Technicians monitor digital controls to ensure perfect tension and uniform thickness. Freshly spun yarn is then guided onto large spools ready for dyeing. The signature denim color comes from multiple dips in deep indigo dye. As the yarn rises into the air, oxygen reacts with the dye, turning it from green to blue. Once dyed, hundreds of yarn threads are aligned on high-speed looms. Here, warp and weft interlock and the denim fabric begins to take shape. The woven denim is rolled forward into finishing machines that heat set, smooth, and strengthen the fabric. Edges are trimmed, labels applied, and each roll is wrapped with precision. Every step is automated to maintain consistency and durability. Before leaving the factory, each denim roll is inspected under bright LED lights. Forklifts move the approved batches into trucks ready for manufacturers around the world. And that's how denim fabric is made, from raw cotton to finished rolls. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.